Hi, I want to show you an app I have created for gamification of Pomodoro technique. We all know that Pomodoro technique is time management, time boxing technique in which we split work on and work in some Pomodoro circles. So basically, Pomodoro technique requires timer, and this is a timer what I have gamified. Now on the screen you can see I can close the screens, and now on the screen you can see my Pomodoro timer. It's called Pomodorium. I will leave link to description. So it's simple timer. When I add go, it will be counting from 24, then 5 minutes break to 0, from 24 minutes to 0, then 5-minute break, and so on. But gamification, the part of gamification is that for every completed Pomodoro, this app will add something called gold for this counter. Now it also have a like character, like little RPG game in it, and it has a character has a health, level, XP, like experience to level up, level, and cities. Now I can open my character screen and see it. You can see more detailed information about character and current weapons and armors. I can buy armors if I want to. I can buy a potion, health potion if I want to. Now the main goal of the game is I can open map screen, go from, it's like world map with all cities in it, and every city has a monster in this city, and I can go, and the goal is to go from city to city, fight monster, gain experience, upgrade character, get new weapons, get new armors, because monster with every city, monster will become harder and harder to fight. And let's see, it's saying HP too low, I need to buy more health potion. I need to go to my character. I have bought already health potion, I can just use it. And you can see my health is back. Now I can go to map, and for example my current location, this is city, and I can hunt like wolf. And it's simple clicker, like RPG gamification. I can click and hit it with one and kill it with one hit, or I can select another like more advanced. You can see level 19 monster and try to attack him, and he will defeat me and say consider buying better weapons and armors. So I can go back to my character, and I probably need a better, let's buy a better, can buy a shield, but I need to buy steel metal armor. I can buy metal armor and use it, and I can sell chainmail armor. I can buy boots as they absorb 5% of the damage. I can use it. I can buy helm, and I can buy not enough gold, okay. So, and I can use helm and sell it. The main, everything in this game is happening around the goal. So in order to get goal, I have to complete more and more Pomodorium. For every Pomodorium I get like 25. Then if I get 4 Pomodorium, I get some additional bonus gold, and when I get 8 Pomodorium a day, I get more bonus, and 12 is more bonus, and 16 is much more bonus for completing. So application kind of like helped me to do more Pomodoro a day, and usually this everything is closed, and what I'm just doing like Pomodoro. But if I got some gold, I can go during my break, Pomodoro break, and play some game and like game, it motivates me to do more Pomodoro, and that's it. And this is why it works for me. Probably because I was interested into online games, and this is pretty much what happens with online, like old Flash games. When you get through RPG games, when you get through, you travel, you get gold and everything. So it's pretty similar to this, except you get gold for completing Pomodoro. And yeah, it's been pretty helpful for me. I got done a lot of Pomodoro. Like yesterday, I got 16 Pomodoros, and that's a lot even for me. So, and also I can go to there is a scoreboard I can post if I want my data to scoreboard and see what I need to in my character. I need to change Pomodoro to some another. I can specify URL of my avatar if I want, and I can change this, and I can go from menu, submit score, and my score will be added to score table. And yeah, some people done like 2000 Pomodoro overall, and when I add it, I will be probably like on somewhere in the end. But when I will be doing more and more Pomodoro, like 15 Pomodoro, 20, I will be going up on the score if I want. I also can, if I go to monsters, I can modify monsters. If I don't like this kind of monster, I can change avatar of the monster. It just has to be, it doesn't matter about size, it just has to be square image, and I can specify name. And this monster will be changing in every city for all battles if I want to name it, like, I don't know, like some different avatar, different monster. I can do it here. I can also specify my character avatar if I want to. And yeah, so basically that's it. Please give it a try and let me know if this gamification will work, Pomodoro technique gamification will work for you. Thank you. If you have any questions, please leave them in comments or on Pomodoro site. I will put this description into this link into description under my videos. And there is a short instruction how to play this game on Pomodoro, and it's pretty simple, really. If you have any questions, please leave it in comments. And yeah, basically that's it. Have fun and let me know if it works for you. Thank you.